हिंद और भारत माता की जय के साथ मैं अशोक व्यास ITV गोल्ड के लिए एक विशेष क्रूज में आपको साथ लेकर चलने वाला हूं और बात हॉराइजन्स एज की है। FIA और अन्य संगठनों ने मिलकर जो इस बार इंडिया डे परेड के विकल्प के रूप में एक क्रूज के द्वारा भारत के 75वें स्वाधीनता दिवस को मनाने का आयोजन किया है, उस तरफ जाते जाते हॉराइजन शब्द जिसको हिंदी में हम क्षितिज कहते हैं, तो ये क्षितिज है जहां से भारत की आशाएं और सपनों को पूरा होते हुए देखने की उमंगों का एक स्वरूप भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने संबोधन में लाल किले से हम तक पहुंचाया है। और वो उमंगें और वो उत्साह जब आप मेरे साथ इस तरफ चलेंगे और हॉराइजन्स एज की तरफ हम बढ़ रहे हैं तो आपको पता लगेगा जो लगभग 300 इंडियन अमेरिकन्स इस क्रूज का हिस्सा बनने के लिए आए हैं, उन सब के मन में भारत के प्रति जो प्रेम है उसको आप देखेंगे और साथ ही देखेंगे कि भारत से 7 समंदर पार ये जो भारत का प्रेम है उसको लेकर यहाँ का समुदाय अपना प्रेम और भारत के प्रति अपनी श्रद्धा को व्यक्त करने के लिए एक उत्सवमय ढंग से इस शाम को सजा रहा है। तो आइए चलते हैं। Jai Hind and happy 75th Independence Day of India. And Anil Bansalji, we are here at the cruise organized by FIA under your presidency. How is the feeling, and as they ask, how is the Josh?
So Josh is incredible, as you can see all around you, and it really is that India has come. Indians have come in this country. You know, they have done well, and this is a sign that they are willing to start partying and rooting for India. So it's a celebration starting today. Is the next 1 year we are going to be celebrating 75th year of independence of India, and we are looking forward to it.
And if I go just one day back, on 14th August this year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced to be observed as Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas. So that is the idea, to accept history and events as they unfolded and move on. How do you look at that approach?
I think, you need to focus. You have seen our neighbors focus on hatred, jealousy, and other things like that. We have to grow up. As you know, living in America, we know that if you want to do something, you have to remember the past, but not hold on to it. You have to move on. You have to focus on what you want to do in the future. So I admire him. I think it is an incredible stand he has taken, which I know politically sometimes is not favorable, but I think it's a very bold stand.
And lastly, I must congratulate you. Wonderful way in which our tri-color flag was unfurled at Times Square. Your message for our viewers?
ITV Gold has been an incredible supporter of FIA, and we just wish them absolutely the best. We are looking forward to your new home in Edison, and we couldn't be happier and proud of having ITV Gold in Edison, in the heart of Indian diaspora. So congratulations on that.
Really awesome. Actually, in New York, I am finding that like us, there are many Indians, and this is what gives us the reason to be here. And this is the precise reason why we are here celebrating with the Indian diaspora here. and this is after a vision of our seniors, that in 2003 we established our offices here, and we see Indians growing more and more affluent in the US, and we definitely are here to serve them.
Absolutely. Actually, I interrupt you quickly to ask you one supplementary question, and that relates to how you see India on the trajectory of economic growth at this point of time.
See, if we see a lot of things which have happened recently, which includes all kinds of reforms which have happened completely, though you can say on the financial side, on the legal side, and all this is becoming a very good foundation for new India to come. As Prime Minister also said in the speech today, that we are looking for a very new India which we have never seen, and I think we also echoes those views, whereby with the economic condition right now, the kind of investment interest that we are seeing in India, it is definitely going to be a completely different, different environment.
Let me see some hands at least. Come on, guys, put your hands together. Feel free to go with.
Jai Hind, and we all are excited observing 75th Independence Day of India here in New York on a special cruise. And I have the presence of Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh, as well as someone who is like a head for the Indian American family here, Consul General Randir Jaiswal ji. Jai Hind to both of you.
Thank you. Jai Hind to you as well. And very happy Independence Day to you and to all members of the Indian American community here.
Very good. And I would indulge in asking you one or two questions, and I begin with you. It was great historical moment to be at Times Square having India's tricolor unfurl. How was the feeling for you being there?
It's a great feeling. I mean, that's the ultimate reward after 50 years of the hard work of the volunteers of the FIA. And Times Square, I mean, you don't have to explain to anyone. That's the best address in the world. And that's the ultimate address of the world. To do the hosting of the unfurling of the flag. And really we are lucky, we are proud, and we are love Mother India. And really that shows our love towards Mother India.
Very, very nice. And with Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh, I come to you, Consul General Sahab. You have been kind and loving, not just for India, for the Indian American community here. And I've seen you attending many, many celebrations dedicated to Bharat Mata. So overall, what is your impression, and also connect with your feelings for today's event?
So, 15th August is very special for India and for Indians and for Indian American community and for Indian community across the world. But this 15th August is even more special, for it happens to be India's 75th Independence Day. It's a historic occasion. It's a landmark. And to celebrate this landmark event, historic event, in the capital of the world, and in the capital of the world, at the most iconic spot, Times Square, was very special. And we now have this beautiful celebration by the community, led by FIA in this historic Hudson River. This river has seen the ebb and flow of history, so it makes all that more, our celebration all that more special.
Thank you. And one more question to you, Dr. Parikh. In the address from Red Fort, Prime Minister Narendra Modi touched and talked about his focus on several aspects of Indian community, including youth and innovative spirit. Talk to me, being in New York, how do you see that unfolding in terms of its impact on global scale?
Well, Indian American are always integral part of the Mother India, and right from the when we started the India Caucus in 90s till today, U.S.-India nuclear deal, all other agreements with the USA and India, and now look at how U.S.-India relation at such a great height, and USA cannot do real work in the world without help of the India, because India is the most youngest nation whose 45% of the population is less than 40 years old, and you cannot beat that. I mean, that's a future, and that's why India is in a unique situation. And I agree with Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Bhai Modi that we will be 5 trillion economy within next 5 years, and will be world leader, and maybe even a permanent member of the Security Council in next 10 to 15 years.
Wonderful. And as I connect, standing here in New York, New Jersey, remembering his recent address to the United Nations Security Council and his very, very insightful suggestions to the world community. But I connect back to you with his address from Red Fort, where he talked about several issues, and he also brought the importance of observing 14th August as Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas. And if I may connect, he also mentioned about education reform. So talk to me about the importance of appreciating our cultural and historical journey at this juncture and the new education policy.
See, specifically this government is a reformist government. They've come out with several transformative reforms, and one of them is new education policy. This is what we have everybody expected from a government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that he is going to take India on a transformative economic path, on a transformative journey. A new education policy has special connection with the United States because we have a large number of Indian students who come to the United States to study. We have very strong links between universities here and universities back home in India. We also have very strong research and innovation links. With the new education policy, it is our endeavor that we want to strengthen these linkages further for the progress and prosperity of India, for the progress and prosperity of the United States of America. We live in a world which is a knowledge-led world, and for that it's important that we make strong knowledge connections. And for the knowledge connections, knowledge bridge of the world, knowledge world of the world to be pushed, it's important that India and the United States come together.
And India and United States are definitely coming together, and as we are on the threshold of realizing new dreams, there are a resurgence of hopes. And as we conclude this short conversation with Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh and Consul General Randir Jaiswal ji, one last question to both of you. We are here at an event organized by FIA. Your words for the team of FIA as well as for Indian community members.
Well, I think I would like to congratulate all the volunteers of FIA, and this is a very hard work and very rewarding work. And FIA is I'm observing FIA for the last 50 years, and I can see that FIA is slowly reaching the pinnacle of its activities, and I'm very proud of FIA volunteers, and I'm lucky that I'm contributing to the FIA so much every year, year after year for last 50 years. And so I'm very satisfied, and it's very rewarding to see second generation volunteers taking over the FIA, and that's really a great news.
And though I'm a part of ITV Gold, but in the presence of Consul General Sahab, I may say that as an individual from Indian American community, I appreciate your spirit to stay connected with our cultural roots as well as support them. And on that note, may I also be open in sharing my emotional feelings. Talking to both of you makes me so happy. And when we are resonating with the spirit of India, it is uplifting. And so now, your words, your feelings, and your message for us.
Well, India in the last 75 years has done well. It has progressed. It has brought a lot of prosperity and well-being for its people. And not just that, it continues to add so much to the peace of the world, for progress of the world. Together we can do much better. Together we can put this COVID-19 behind us, and together we can do well for the humanity at large. That is the message of India for the world at large.
Wonderful. Once again with Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh and Constable Nandini Jaiswal ji, thanking all of you for being a part of this conversation. This is Ashok Vyas for ITV Gold.
It's an honor and a pleasure to be here celebrating the 75th Indian Independence Day and starting off the Amrit Mahotsav as Honorable Prime Minister has announced today. We at FIA are determined to continue and join into the festivities of what India is celebrating in the India at 75 movement that has been launched officially as of yesterday in India. FIA has planned about 28 events, the itinerary of which we have shared with Government of India, and we continue. We will fulfill all 26 events. We have started with 3 of them. Today is another 3, and we'll continue with some major mega events in the year 2021-2022. We will be back with our grand India Day parade. It will be a parade that the community has never seen before, and we promise the community here that next year will bring a lot more surprises and grandeur for the festivities of the India Day. So stay tuned, and I wish all the viewers of Parikh Worldwide Media and ITV Gold a very happy, healthy and safe Independence Day. God bless you all. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
5 presidents of FIA, but always active with FIA. Srijul Parikh and Alok ji are with me. I'll begin with you, Alok. You always smile, but this time when your smile is also related to 75th celebration of India's Independence Day, at this event of FIA, there is some additional glow there. Talk to me about your feelings.
देखिए, जब किसी भी देश के लिए 75वां साल आज़ादी का सेलिब्रेशन होता है तो वो एक अपने आप में अद्भुत फीलिंग होता है, और वो फीलिंग को FIA ने एक नया रूप दे दिया। पहला रूप ये दिया, सुबह उठो और टाइम स्क्वायर जो वर्ल्ड का जाना पहचाना, जिसको हर आदमी जानता है, वहाँ पे जाके भारत माता का टाइम स्क्वायर पे सबसे बड़ा झंडा को फहराना अपने आप में एक ऐतिहासिक बात है। तो वो एक बड़ी ही मनपसंद चीज़ हुआ, और साथ ही निकलते ही लगा कि और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। तो आज तक कभी भी इंडिया डे का जो सेलिब्रेशन है हडसन रिवर में नहीं हुआ, और इसमें तिरंगा आप देख रहे हैं लहरा रहा है। साथ में शाम अभी जैसे रोशनी आएंगी तो तिरंगा कलर से रिफ्लेक्शन होगा, और साथ ही साथ एम्पायर स्टेट जो हमारे भाई सृजल भाई ने बहुत मेहनत हर एक साल करते हैं, जिसके कारण ये हो पाता है। और हमारे चेयरमैन अंकुर वैद्य, करंट प्रेसिडेंट अनिल बंसल, इन लोगों का जो विज़न है और उसके सारे लोग सहयोग देते हैं, ये हो जाता है। तो वो अनुभव और वो अनुभूति दोनों ही गजब का है। और आज़ादी का जो जश्न है, आज़ादी महोत्सव, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री हमारे मोदी साहब का है कि महोत्सव बनाइए, इसको आज़ादी मत मनाइए, महोत्सव कीजिए। तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। महोत्सव की बात है, जिस गहराई से, अनुभूति के साथ में, सुंदरता से, मधुरता से, लालित्यपूर्ण ढंग से आलोक जी ने अपनी बात कहकर हमको भारत माता के प्रेम से जोड़ा है, उसको और अधिक ऊंचाइयां देने वाले हैं हमारे सृजल पारिक जी। सृजल जी, आप इतनी मेहनत करते हैं कि भारत का नाम ऊंचा हो, चाहे किसी को पता लगे या न लगे, वो जो एक भाव, वो जो एक जज्बा आपके अंदर है, उससे जुड़ते हुए आज आपको क्या महसूस हो रहा है?
पहले तो भारत हमारी जन्मभूमि है, जन्मभूमि का नाता कभी नहीं टूट सकता। हमारा सब बोलते हैं कि हम भरे अमेरिका में रहते हैं, हमारा मन, तन और हृदय भारत से जुड़ा रहता है। और ये एक ऐसा सेलिब्रेशन है जो सबकी दिल में, जो भारत में जन्मा है, उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी मायने रखता है। एंड हम लोगों को बहुत खुशी होती है कि इतने सारे लोगों को हम जुड़ पाते हैं इस इवेंट से। तो एक बड़ी उपलब्धि वो है कि सब इकट्ठे होते एक ही मंच पे, सभी धर्मों के, सभी जातियों के, सभी प्रदेश के लोग एक साथ जुड़ के भारत माता की जय बोलते हैं। तब जो फीलिंग आती है वो इट्स अ अमेजिंग फीलिंग।
आलोक, ये क्यों दिया इन्होंने? भारत माता की
जय।
3 बार बोलते हैं, भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
फीलिंग आई।
अमेजिंग फीलिंग, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग।
हमारे
थैंक यू
साथ तो-
ITV।
या थैंक यू ITV, थैंक यू सुधीर पारिक जी। एंड अभी हमारे साथ देख ही रहे हैं कि वर्ल्ड का मतलब चेस के ग्रैंड मास्टर में राइट एक इतिहास रच दिया ये बच्चा ने, कितना खुशी महसूस होता है राइट।
तो उनसे भी हम बात करेंगे और आप दोनों का बहुत सारा धन्यवाद, बहुत सारे प्रेम के साथ में। भारत माता की जय।
ऑलवेज।
Deputy Consul General Shatrughan Sinha ji, a very good friend of Indian American community, and we hear that you are going to be leaving New York very soon. Based on your experience and today's FIA event, your feelings?
Ashok ji, as they say, all good things must come to an end. So yes, today we are here on a cruise with the Indian members of the Indian American community, celebrating India's Independence Day, 75th Independence Day. On this occasion, I must mention that the Indian American community has been a great partner in our developmental journey. Indian American community has stood shoulder to shoulder with India in the last 75 years, and I'm sure today is a day on which we all have recommitted ourselves to India. We have paid our tributes to the freedom fighters who freed us from the yoke of foreign rule. We have paid our tributes to the brave soldiers who help us in keeping this freedom intact. At the same time, we have recommitted ourselves to taking India to greater heights. So thank you.
I'm smiling with the Statue of Liberty and thinking of Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity, which is comparatively a new presence dedicated to Loh Purush Sardar Patel, who unified the states of India. That credit goes to him. And this 75th Independence Day celebration of India is also commitment to focus on those who have served and sacrificed for making a great nation. Bharat is not just an idea, it is that spirit which liberates, it is that spirit which unites. And all over the world, Indian lovers as well as Indian Americans here are very, very enthusiastic in celebrating Amrit Mahotsav here at a cruise organized by FIA. We got the opportunity of talking to many Indian Americans and India lovers. It is a joy, honor and privilege to share glimpses of this event and these uplifting thoughts. With thanks to all of you, and concluding this report with my camera person Manish, this is Ashok Vyas for ITV Gold. All right.
Well, happy Independence Day to everybody. It's a 75th year centennial celebrations for India's independence. Very, very happy to be here. My name is Rajiv Kaul, and I thank Anil Bansal, FIA and his team for organizing this beautiful event. That's what I have to say. And we are very, very proud Indian. And I know we have come a long way, and we have a long way to go, but we are very determined people, and we will be there.
Hello ITV, this is Himanshu Bhatia. I'm a FIA Executive Vice President. I'm wishing you happy Independence Day, 75th. You know, this is a one-of-a-kind event that FIA has organized, gala dinner on the boat due to the fact that we could not, get the parade done this year. New York City did not allow. But happy to see a lot of people, happy faces, And again, I wish everyone Indian here and Indian in India, wishing them a very happy Independence Day.
It's a proud moment for all Indians, Indian Americans enjoying here at the 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day. Wishing you all very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
अपना कहा तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा. Thank you so much, guys.
Request Mickey Singh to sing Galiyan. Just a few lines, ladies and gentlemen.
इश्क मेरा मैनू मोड़ दे दिल मेरा टुटिया बस ये जोड़ दे हुण झूठे निकले वादे झूठी भी निकली तू यारी ला तोड़ निभानी सिख ले जाके तू बस गम है एक गल दा मैं कीता प्यार तेनू दुख नहीं आओ सहना मैं भुल जाना तेनू भुल जानिया गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां I'm moving forward, I'm just trying to find my heart भुल जानिया गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां Your love I never had it from the start